Welcome to Talking Bradford. Talking Bradford is a new step-by-step guide for parents and carers. Talking Bradford has everything in one place. This guide brings together everything you need to know about helping your child to talk. There's lots of things you can do together. There's fun activities to try at home. There's ideas from BBC Tiny Happy People and the NHS Start for Life campaign. There's weekly activity sheets. You can try a play and learn group in Bradford and find your local one on the FYI website. And what if you need more help? The guide tells you how to get extra support in Bradford if you're worried about your child's talking or your child's communication. So give your child the best start for life.